Hey folks, JD here, and today we're going to see about doing some tricks with the Supernova. So the combination for setting up tricks, and for every trick, you've got to hold your hands either side like that, and then the little orb in the middle will flash blue, and that lets you know that you can then do the combination of hand gestures in order to get this to perform different tricks. So there are loads of different tricks for this, and they're all listed inside the manual. Now what's not listed inside the manual is how to do them. This is going to be my 7th attempt at making this video. Now the reason it's taking me so long, I could have just watched the videos that AIRHOGS have up on YouTube, but I don't want to. I want to try and figure it out for myself. So what I've done is before this 7th flight, for the 6 other ones, not including the flight test we did of this last week, I've been trying to see if I can get all these working. So we've got super spin, time machine, elevation spin, elevator, loads of different ones with all their different key codes in here, right? So basically, R means swipe with left, swipe with the right, and B means hold it under the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that to the test. So we're going to put it on, we'll leave it to go green, and then we're going to throw it up in the air until it stabilises. And to begin with, I'm going to try super spin, which is right and then bottom, and it should spin as my hand is underneath it. Here's that. So blue, right, and then hand under the bottom, and that's it. It just spins. As easy as that until you move your hand away. That was super spin, which is R, blue, and you've got time machine, which pretty much is super spin. A lot of these are spin. 1, 2, 3, and hand under, and then it should do elevator spin. So there we are. As it's spinning, it's slowly going up, and then it spins. So that's elevator spin. Very simple, very effective, quite cool. Right, left, left. And then it should walk. Well, no, that's dead. Well, we tried. I got a few things knocked out, a few tricks. That was okay, not brilliant, but still, it's only my 7th attempt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and I'm going to keep on trying this. I'm going to put out a couple more videos of probably getting more tricks as I get better at it. The funny thing is with this, I didn't think it was going to do it. I feel compelled to actually get some tricks down with this and to actually learn it. That's the crazy thing. Now with a lot of these, I think, you're not too bothered. This one really is making me come back. I don't know what it is, but I really like this. It's very basic, it's very loud, the battery's terrible, but it just makes me want to perform tricks. Now we did, what, a good 4 or 5 today, I think? There we are, that's great, that's 4 or 5 down. Now I'll come back and I'll do the rest. I really like this. I don't know what it is, I just really like it. Alright then, my friends, thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers, I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy tricks.